guys, another car vlog because I'm in the car. It is April 21st and today was the Festival of Books, LA Times Festival of Books. I think this is my third year going, maybe fourth, but I think probably third because there were 2 years of John Green and then last year was Maureen Johnson. Anyway, this year I just went to see Maureen Johnson. There has been a Facebook group about meeting up before that, so I said I would come, and so we met up. Supposed to be 11:30. Other people, one guy showed up at like 11:40, and then everybody else showed up at 12. It was just 4 of us at first, and we went and got some food, and then we went to the Maureen Johnson panel with, there were 3 other authors, plus Ransom Riggs was the moderator, which was cool. And Maureen was hilarious, of course, and she always steals the show. It was really good. And then we went over to the signing, and we got some books signed. I had her sign My Name of the Star and The Madness Underneath. And then we were going to have everyone else sign our tickets, and we got like almost everybody, but one of the authors, the handler people, were like, no, they can't sign anything except for books. And we're like, okay, fine. So we got scared and we left. But not really, because then we just went and bought things and then went back. Anyway, I bought a Ransom Riggs book and had him sign it. It's one about photographs, which is cool because I love photographs. And I always wish I still have Elena's copy of the Home for Peculiar Children book that I should have brought last year to have him sign because he was here. If I had it this year, I could have had him sign it for her because he was here. But I never remembered to actually bring that book. Anyway, that was that. And then we went and found the $5 or less book stand, and I bought so many books. Well, I bought some expensive books too earlier in the day, and then I bought a bunch of the $5 or less books, and my bag was so heavy, like it was hard to carry it back to the car. They were all gonna go get Coffee Bean or go somewhere else, and I'm like, I gotta go to my car because it's so heavy. There's my navigation, because we're trying to get home. There's traffic and stuff right now. Anyway, I thought I would record now while I have time to talk, because when I get home, I don't know if I'm gonna feel like talking because I have to finish some work. I have to do my letter for the week, and I need to take some oranges to school. Like, I should probably take some tonight because guess what? We have butterflies. I went to grab my Maureen Johnson book because it was at school, because I thought, oh, maybe I'll read it at school. Not really. I don't know why I brought it to school. Anyway, it was at school, so I went to pick it up this morning, and I look over at the cage, and I'm like, oh my gosh, there's butterflies. So there are 3 butterflies out as of right now. The other 2 will probably pop out pretty soon, so you'll see them tomorrow, probably. Anyway, that was today. I am tired and I am thirsty, and my back hurts from carrying books, as it always does every year. And I will see you guys tomorrow, except probably not really. You won't really see me because it is Monday, and Monday is my Minute Monday clip show. Yeah, that was awkward. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a nerd-fightastic day. I love hanging out with nerd fighters. It was fun. Alright, bye guys.